Hello everyone, this is the bull flag chart pattern. The bull flag chart pattern is a continuation pattern and is exactly the opposite of the bear flag chart pattern. The bull flag chart pattern only occurs in an uptrend, and the interpretation indicates that it will continue to rally further upside. Upon the breakout of the bull flag, we have to take entry, and the target would be the same size of the flag pulled towards upside. This would be our target. We have to measure the length of the pole, and upon the breakout of the bull flag, we have to take entry, and this would be our take profit zone. The bull flag is a very simple trending market pattern which you can easily observe in the trending markets. The bull flag is a sign of market going towards upside further. So let's go to the chart and find an live chart example. So this is the bull flag pattern on the live chart. I have already marked the bull flag for you. The market was moving in uptrend, then the price was consolidating in this flag pattern. As you can see, a perfect structure. A breakout happened above the flag, perfectly retested, and now straight heading towards the target. Let's measure the target for this. We'll take the distance of the pole. This is the distance of the pole up till here. This is our entry point. This will be our take profit TP. So that's approximately 1.21% move. I hope you have learned the bull flag pattern. Try to practice this pattern as much as possible. Consistency is the key, guys. Go to tradingview.com, practice as much as you can. If you're stuck somewhere, just let me know. I'll be there to help you out. Till then, peace.